Vancouver, are we ready to light up the tree? All right, on the count, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays! Make some noise! First of all, let's give it up for the wonderful performances by the Vancouver Bach Children's Choir, chorale, and chorus conducted by Marissa Gaytan, and of course, our wonderful Tim Sars Band. My name is Fred Lee. I am a member of the media, but more importantly, I am a big fan of Christmas. Welcome everyone to the 2023 Amicon Christmas Tree Lighting Ceremony. We are going to light this town up very shortly. Thank you to all of you for carving the time and joining us for the 17th annual Amicon Christmas Tree Lighting. We are going to light up this gorgeous tree at precisely 6:45. You know, Vancouverites are resilient. Look at all of you. What's another 35 minutes or so? It's Friday night. We are going to kick off the holiday season in style. Everyone, if you're joining us for the very first time, to my left, in front of you, is Western Canada's largest Christmas tree. It takes an army of volunteers and a week's worth of time to assemble the 76-foot Amicon Christmas tree. It has 1,150 branches and more than 100,000 lights. And in Whoville's-like spirit, we are going to light up this tree precisely at 6:45. We are so grateful to Amicon for their ongoing support of this annual tradition that has been going on for 17 years. It is their contribution to the city and an opportunity to add to the festive mood in the downtown core. I see many of you with your cameras out ready to take a selfie or a photo of this beautiful Christmas tree. This is not only Western Canada's largest Christmas tree, but it also stands as an important reminder that the holidays are about giving and supporting those in need. This is a tradition with a purpose, and over the past 17 years, we have raised collectively $2 million to date to support local charities in our community. All proceeds this year will support Vancouver International Children's Festival, BC Children's Hospital, and Honor House. In keeping with the wonderment the holidays provide to children, the Vancouver International Children's Festival inspires and motivates young minds with professional artistic experiences that transforms a children's understanding of the world around them and what creativity is possible. As well, of course, this event also supports our heroes. Those folks at Honor House does that just by offering a home away from home for members of the Canadian Armed Forces, veterans, emergency services personnel, and their families to stay free of charge while they receive medical care and treatment in Metro Vancouver. And of course, finally, BC's Children's Hospital is the hospital that provides pediatric care to all of our kids in the province who need it the most. So once again, everyone, please join me in thanking Amicon for their ongoing support of our annual tree lighting tradition. Here's another fun fact. If you're wondering, this tree is larger than the tree at Rockefeller Square in New York City. Woo! We have bigger bragging rights than all of those New Yorkers. And as you have heard, we are going to light this tree up at 6:45. In the meantime, get cozy with one another, help yourself to some hot chocolate, and enjoy more music courtesy of the Tim Sars Band. Thank you, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Lenny Zhou, Vancouver City Councilor, also the Deputy Mayor of Vancouver. First, I'd like to acknowledge we are gathering today on the traditional, ancestral, and unceded territory of Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh Nation. I'm grateful for their generosity and love of this land. Before I start, I want to introduce all the city councilors and public commissioners and all the elected officials.
Okay, rapid fire. Mike Class and Vancouver City Council. Hi, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays, Vancouver. Sarah Kirby-Young. Happy holidays, Councillor Rebecca Bly. Happy holidays, Angela Hare, Park Board Commissioner. Hi, everybody. Councillor Lisa Dominato. Happy holidays, and hi, kids down there.
Happy holidays, and looking forward to seeing Santa. Pete Fry, Vancouver City Councilor.
Hi everybody, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I'm Councillor Peter Meisner.
Hi everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Vancouver South, Member of Parliament and Minister of Emergency Preparedness.
Perfect. I'm so great to be here tonight. Thank you everyone for joining us at this 17th annual Vancouver Christmas tree lighting. Also to kick out the most amazing time of the year, Christmas. It's awesome to see so many people here tonight with this festival celebration. And we gather around to illuminate the beautiful Vancouver Christmas tree for the holiday season. I want to thank Amicon for putting such a festive display together. Organizing such a large event is not easy feat. It is so important to have the tradition such as this to get everyone excited for the upcoming holiday season. The act of lighting of this magnificent 76-foot Christmas tree symbolizes more than just a beautiful display. It represents the warmth, the togetherness that defines our community. It symbolizes a time when we come together as a community to share the magic of the holidays. During this holiday season, let's remember the real meaning of holidays. It's a time for kindness, unity, compassion, and generosity. With that, I also want to give a shout out to the DeCaltis family for hosting this tradition for the past 17 years and raising over $2 million for the local charities throughout this event. This event helps great community events such as BC Children's Hospital, where I have privileged to work with in the past 10 years, and also Vancouver International Children's Festival. I want to extend my gratitude to all of you for giving back to the community. As your city councilors, I'm immensely grateful for the privilege serving the amazing people in this remarkable city. Together, we can achieve great things. And tonight's celebration is the testament that we can make magic of our city. From my family to yours, I wish everyone a joyful and safe holiday season. May the spirit of season inspire all of you to spread kindness and generosity and compassion throughout our community. Thank you, everyone. Let's get the festivities begin. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Deputy Mayor Lenny Joe. If you can now follow Santa, all of you helpers, Lenny Joe, Mike Clausen, Peter Meisner, Pete Fry, Rebecca Bly, Sarah Kirby-Young, Lisa Dominato, Angela Hare, and Harjit Sajan. We're also going to invite all the kids now, and we're going to do a countdown to welcome the holidays. Vancouver, are we ready to light up the tree? All right, on the count, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree. How richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. How richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree,